It was kind of hard, but we got it to work out. But when my group made it too tall, it actually fell down. We had a good group, so we all worked together for the tower. It was fun. We made the tower and we had fun. It was really hard. You had to use spaghetti string, wood, marshmallow, and tape. And you had to put them all together, and you had to put the marshmallow on top, not on bottom. If you do, you had to start all over. It was fun to do it. This bird said who built the tallest tower won the contest, and I stacked it on top and taped it. She had tape on the floor, and we shoot our rockets when they were big, and when they got small, we cut them, and then we went try it again, and we blowed it again with a straw, and it went farther away. And then we told Miss Fleck our data, and then we told her how much fun we had. We had to put the gumdrops on the toothpicks and put another one on the side, and then we put another toothpick right beside it, and then we put another gumdrop on it and make a square, and then we had to have 12 toothpicks and 8 gumdrops. We had to let it dry and to put the books on. He came to see us. He talked about some stuff that I really liked and how we worked and about steam pipes and machines and how I'm going to be an engineer and all the buildings and how fun it is. She always asked the customer what they wanted their tree to be. She'd make a sketch. Some trees are small, it's going to grow out, maybe they want some shade or maybe they want some privacy, maybe you could build a fence. Most people take trees and build fences around their house. Whoever was the leader had to go to the back table and get the materials that they would have to use for the trap they were using. And then they got pieces of tape so they could work with it. They had to build the trap to figure out how the gingerbread man could get in there and stay in there. Gingerbread man runs on the straw and he slips in here and he gets locked in the bag and we close the gate.
Okay. So
she taught us about a whole lot of stuff, like about how people in the moon sleep. They use a lot of math and science, so if you like a lot of math and science, then you should be an engineer. Well, you might be an engineer, because they do a lot of math and science. The engineer that came to speak with us, she showed us a presentation, and it had a lot of different jobs that an engineer had to do, and they have to use, sometimes they have to help people, if they broke their leg in a car accident, they usually have to come up with some ideas to help that person, and they need to use a lot. We had to make the fence so we can go fly it, and then we went outside to go fly the rocket, see which one went farthest, and that was great.
First we had to use glue to put the structures together. We had to get our design for the wall so we could figure out which one would make it more sturdy. We put diamonds in our structure and it held up to 80 pounds.
They showed us how to launch a rocket. That was fun.
If you start from the bigger weights, it will break faster. If you start from the smaller weights, it will not break faster. If you start with the smaller weights and go to the top, it will last longer. If you do not have the wood balance, you only have 1 minute to fix it.
They made parachutes out of plastic, string, and Lego person. It had to go down slowly or the person would die.